But you know what they say about Derry?
Hmm.
No one who dies here ever really dies.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick-ass boy. Damn.
But tell me, how is it being back in Derry?
It's good. Strange.
Strange? Oh, my. I had some cookies in the oven before you came. Stay right there.
I shouldn't impose. I'm gonna...
No, I insist.
Oh.
Your photos are lovely, Miss Kirsch. Are these your family?
My father came to this country with $14 in his pocket.
What did he do, Mrs. Kirsch?
My father joined the circus. I was always Daddy's little girl. What about you? Are you still his little girl, Beverly? Are you?
Meeting of the Losers Club has officially begun.
We can do this, but we have to stick together.
Hello.